Exciting leaks about the Xiaomi 16 series have surfaced, revealing groundbreaking upgrades that could redefine flagship smartphones. Right after the Xiaomi 15 series launched globally, reliable tipster digital chat stations shared early details about Xiaomi's next-gen flagship lineup, set to feature Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 processors, flat displays with our corners, and 3D printed metal frames. This marks a major shift from the micro-curved screens of the previous generation, bringing a sleek and modern aesthetic to Xiaomi's flagship lineup. The leak also suggests the integration of LIPO display technology, which optimizes display driver chip placement, resulting in thinner bezels and a higher screen-to-body ratio. If true, this could make the Xiaomi 16 series one of the most immersive smartphone experiences yet. But that's not all. These devices might also feature 3D printed metal frames, reducing weight while increasing durability. Another intriguing detail is a potential addition of an extra button, similar to Apple's Action button. However, this could come at a slight cost, a 100 mAh reduction in battery capacity. Despite this, reports claim that the Xiaomi 16 series will still boast massive 7,000 mAh batteries, ensuring exceptional battery life. With cutting-edge performance, innovative display technology, and enhanced durability, the Xiaomi 16 series is shaping up to be a game-changer in the smartphone industry. As we await further confirmations, one thing is clear. Xiaomi is pushing boundaries yet again. Want to stay ahead of all the latest leaks, smartphone news, and tech trends? Subscribe to TechVerse now for more updates.